Hey guys, what's going on? Great to see you back as usual. I hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a good week. Anyway, Halloween is today. That's when I'm making this video. And it's about Travis Heinze. I haven't covered him in quite a while because he just kind of disappeared and I figured out where he went. He was arrested again in Kentucky about 6 or 7 months ago, in March actually, and he got arrested for bond revocation out of Nacogdoches, Louisiana, a place he used to always consult Chad GPT about and all that stuff. He talked about it for months, and finally they caught up with him. Plus, he got a 30-day sentence in Kentucky where this stop took place because he refused to ID there too. He's done it at least 5 or 6 times. I've got 5 or 6 arrest videos for him for doing the same thing, just being a total dickhead. But anyway, I wondered where he was, and now I realized what happened. I don't know how I missed this, but this is his last arrest. He's been in jail since March, and I think he's supposed to get out next month. He's got this goofy girl that posts for him on his channel now, and I don't know what's up with that. I don't even know if she's a real person. But anyway, let's check out the video of him getting arrested and getting put in jail. Here we go. On with the video, folks. Oh, I've got to add before I go on with the video is not going to match the dialogue that you hear because it's pitch black when he gets arrested. You can't see anything. So instead of looking at total darkness, I added a video from another one of his arrests. So the video isn't going to match up with the vocals here, so just so you're aware. Anyway, let's continue.
What's the observation that you're making?
I'm just checking on you. Someone just wanted to make sure you were okay out here.
Okay.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, I don't have any complaints. I mean, I guess it's unusual for people to be out here.
Yeah, usually our parks close at midnight, which ain't there yet. They were just concerned, making sure that you're okay.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have any complaints. I mean, I'm just hanging out here. I was planning on, leaving before 12.
You just traveling?
Yeah, I'm a traveler. Yep.
Yeah, well, either way, it's just kind of a welfare check. Nothing like that.
Okay.
So
You
someone
were just
called
making
in.
sure you were good.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I see if I'm good. I mean, I don't have any complaints. I know what, I was here before the sun went down and just, kind of overstayed. I was actually parked over there, and then I pushed my car over here. They might have seen that. I don't know. I think I'll put this over here. So how are the observations looking? Are there any actions that you want to take?
No, sir. Just making sure you're okay.
Okay.
It's just like a welfare check. It's all it is. So
Okay.
major. So,
All right. Yeah, you're just following your training with the welfare check, and you did well.
I'm good.
Sounds
What's your
like,
name again?
so, well, I mean, it sounds like you looked up my name already.
Officer bond revocation.
If you were listening real close, the last thing the officer on the radio said was bond revocation. They're talking about Travis. They probably got it from his plate because he hasn't given them their ID yet. He gets his car towed in this too. They take his car away. I think he's lost his car by now. He's been in jail for 5 months or something like that. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 8 months. He's got another month to go. So I don't know. Not a very smart move. Anyway, let's continue. Whoopsie, I just realized it's November, so if he's got another month to go, he won't get out till December. So, my apologies for making a mistake. Anyway, let's continue.
10-4. You see if that's extraditable.
The revocation and
Full
extradition.
extradition.
10-4. Full
Confirm
extradition.
last four of social.
Full extradition?
Sir, what's the last 4 of your social security number?
It's private information, so I'm not.
That's not if we're trying to confirm that it's you, okay?
Well, I don't have to. I mean, I plead the fifth.
Here.
All right, sir.
Oh, sure. All right. What's the extradition for?
I'll get you that information here in just a second, okay, bud?
All right.
So Louisiana put out an open extradition order on him if he's caught anywhere else, because he travels around the country doing this. Every state he goes to or every city he goes to, he does this. He parks where he's not supposed to because he's just stubborn and stupid. And don't forget, he started on this journey because he got busted for having a bunch of kiddie stuff on his computer, and that made him homeless. He lost his house, he lost everything for getting busted for that. He's not on the registry because he flooded it down, but that was the end of Travis Heinze, the normal person. And I'm going to play a little bit of his AI girlfriend, I think. She might be a real person, I don't know. She uses these stupid filters from 2019, 2020, so it's hard to tell if she's real or not. Anyway, let's check out what she has to say. Travis is updating her as he's in jail. So let's get into that.
But I will say that I am a person, and I don't know why.
Well, if you don't know if you're a person, I certainly don't know. I think you're AI. I may be wrong. Nobody can be this cringy.
September 9th. Can a hold or no bond be held in secret by the city court until the day I'm released from jail? Judge Owsley is going to keep my voice recorder, and he says that he can't release my voice recorder to me because I'm not in his jurisdiction. He told me this back in December of 2024. He didn't say there was anything on the voice recorder, but if there was something on it, he wants to hold me in contempt for. I expect him not to surprise me with it. I fear that I will be partially released and a hold will show up. I don't know how the hold process works in Louisiana. I didn't see anything on the Louisiana revised statutes or the Code of Criminal Procedure or the Administrative Code. All I know is that the city marshals can put me on the NCIC, but it's not clear what standard they follow. The government in this state likes to spring surprises on us a lot. If I had to make a defense against a contempt of court case, what do I need? I expect an investigator will be there to take the stand and answer questions. What kind of questions can I ask them about the process that my voice recorder was checked into evidence?
Travis is in jail for doing exactly what she's talking about now. Messing with the courts, always messing with the courts, thinking he's some kind of a legal expert because he has access to an AI program that tells him what the laws are and what the laws aren't. Judges and attorneys don't use ChatGPT to figure out their strategy. They use law books. They don't use dictionaries. They don't use AI. They do the research. They don't just play with some computer system and try to figure out how to beat the system. It's never worked for Travis. It's never going to work. I don't know why he's doing this through another person now.
How many hands could have touched my voice recorder? What are the security measures in place? I'm already serving 270 days for contempt.
Wow, 270 days for one count of contempt. Plus he got 30 days in Kansas for contempt too. I don't know if that's running concurrent or not. But yeah, that's a long time. He must have really screwed up to get that much time. Usually it's like 30 days or 93 days or something like that. 270 days, I've never heard of it. But that's what he's in jail for. Contempt of court. He's always belligerent in court and stuff like that. Kind of like, who's that guy that's not around anymore? The guy that thought he knew the legal system? Lane Myers. He just kind of fell off the radar after he lost his last court battle. But not Travis. He's not giving up that easy, folks.
In this failure to ID case, this would be another contempt of court. With a second judge, I assume the statute of limitations is suspended until Judge Barber's jurisdiction ends. Then Owsley reigns jurisdiction. Are there laws supporting this change in statute of limitations? If charged for the voice recorder, can I ask Judge Owsley to review the resisting arrest ordinance? Why ignore the ordinance and use state law? The only difference for refusal to ID is detainment. The ordinance doesn't require it. September 9th. I think the judge had plenty of time for a probate cause motion and to investigate my voice recorder. The city court can push beyond its $2,500 bond limit. I had a $1,000 bond paid in cash. When I asked to reduce it in December of 2024, Judge Barber said he could have raised it. City courts have a bond limit per Louisiana law. So he went from a $1,000 bond to no bond or a hold. Judges in Kansas don't understand Napoleonic law and probably neither do NCIC maintenance crews.
Maybe the judge should, brush up on his Napoleonic law. What what that is French Civil Code of 1804. That's what he's talking about. What the hell is wrong with you, Travis? We don't go by Napoleonic law. What's wrong with you? Uh, this guy is beyond hope, I swear to God. I mean, feel free to, go back or stop and read this whole thing if you want to. I don't have time.
Court can set unlimited bail. How often do they lean towards no bond or holds for failure to ID? Shreveport City Courts will stop hearing domestic violence cases, moving them to district court. Natchitoches City Court doesn't have an ordinance for domestic violence. If the city can't make an ordinance, shouldn't we be able to move to district court? This court stretches its authority because people don't question jurisdiction. I will challenge it.
It just wouldn't be a Travis video without challenging authority. Yeah, you're in jail for 9 months. You've got another contempt charge coming up when you get released. Incredible how dumb this guy is. Welcome to the delusional world of Travis Heinze, the guy that runs around in a traveling utility shed. All his stuff falling all over him all the time. This guy is just sad, man, I'm telling you. Anyway, I'm glad he's got his life and I got mine. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a little different, but hey, I liked it. Y'all have a great day. Have a great weekend, whenever this comes out. Whatever day you have, and I hope it's a good one. Love y'all. Bye.